Hello and welcome back to WePC. Now, SteelSeries have always been a dominant force when it comes to gaming peripherals, and they are making no exceptions when it comes to the excellent mid-range Arctis 7s. Now, this headset is half the price of the Arctis Pro Wireless, so let's see how it stacks up. The Arctis 7s feature that signature oval-like ear cup design, slender yokes, and the ski goggle strap. The headset also comes with those highly regarded plush ear cups and a retractable but non-removable microphone. And unlike previous iterations, the Arctis 7 doesn't come with RGB, a welcome feature as it allows the headset to hold on to more battery life. The ski goggle strap is removable and you're able to buy other straps with different designs if you want to, so it's definitely a plus in the features department. The headset overall feels as sturdy and robust as you would expect. There's enough give in them so that they shouldn't snap over time, but I would still list the overall build quality as one of the weaker points. The ear cushions are removable, meaning you can easily swap these out if they become damaged, but aren't the easiest to get back on when compared to the magnetic ones on the Astro 50s, for example. The cushions did a good enough job keeping my ears away from the inner wall, but others have complained about the depth, so it could be worth trying before you buy. The microphone retracts into the left ear cup and is a soft, malleable cable. For me, however, the little mic sticking out isn't something I really want to be wearing out and about, but others may not mind. On the right ear cup, you have a power button that will give you an indication when it's on by flashing green. I found it a little annoying that I had to hold this button down to turn the headset on, but I suppose it stops you accidentally losing battery when it's in your bag or something like that. Above the power button is the chat mix dial, allowing you to perfectly balance your Discord server and in-game audio without leaving the game or fiddling around with these settings. Over to the left ear cup is where we see most of the controls. We see the mute mic button, and then beneath that we see the volume scroll wheel. It's nothing compared to the Corsair Void volume wheel, but it works. Finally, we see the micro USB port for charging and the retractable microphone. The Arctis 7 wireless gaming headset also comes with a compact receiver. The receiver plugs in via USB and has a pair button on the side to sync your headset up, with an LED to indicate whether your headset is connected or sleeping. The receiver also features line in and out ports, meaning you can connect your speakers through the back and not have to mess around with Windows settings. Overall, I found the Arctis 7s to be very comfortable. The ears are cushioned enough and the ski mask band worked wonders for me. Furthermore, the clamping force I found to be well balanced, and with this headset's lightweight construction, it really was one of the most comfortable headsets that I've tried, apart from the Astro 50s. That's different gravy. The ear cups were up there with the most comfortable I've worn too, and the soft feel fabric is part of the reason. The fabric is not as soft as the cloud-like Astro 50s, but it is still surprisingly comfy. The ear cups have a slight tilt, accommodating for larger or differently shaped heads, and they feature 90-degree rotation. The ski goggle style headband was something I was a little skeptical of at first. With no cushioning, I was unsure how comfy this headset could actually be. It works well in supporting and distributing the weight evenly, plus it stops things from getting scratchy up top with prolonged usage. Now on to performance. The Arctis 7 gaming headset was a joy to use for both entertainment and gaming. They generally had a well-balanced sound profile, however the mid-range could sound cluttered at times due to the continuation of the high bass. Out of the box, I've had better audio experiences, but that came with a higher cost. The sound performance felt accurate and with a decent seal. They were a bit loud across multiple games, so I did have to adjust settings and fiddle with the chat mix quite a bit to get these how I like them. And the bass performance was pretty good across the board, but mostly for music and games like Squad. The clarity in Squad was excellent, which is very important as the military sim wants to suck you in and immerse you into that combat. Jumping into CSGO, I noticed that the imaging was excellent. Everything felt accurate and I could easily pinpoint targets or pick up valuable information for the team. For closed-back headphones, the soundstage was generous and up there with the more expensive premium models. The isolation was quite poor, but this isn't surprising for a gaming headset with a fabric-style padding. The SteelSeries Arctis 7 comes with the same Clearcast mic we see across the Arctis range, and in short, it's very high quality. While it could be considered one of the better microphones in gaming headsets, don't get too wrapped up in the marketing. There are still better mics out there. The bi-directional mic does a great job of both clarity and noise cancellation. The boom mic is retractable and hides in the ear cup, but unfortunately just isn't detachable. The recording quality is really good, making my voice sound quite bright. Overall, a great mic, and according to friends and my personal recordings, my voice sounded crisp and clear at all times. The Arctis 7s are wireless and operate on a lossless 2.4 GHz connecting for low latency gaming. The connection remains strong and doesn't produce any interference, crackles and pops. To connect to your PC, it goes through the USB receiver, which you can also plug your speakers through, giving you seamless use between both devices. The USB receiver also works with the PS4 and Nintendo Switch when docked. The headset can work when wired too, meaning it can connect with your Switch, on the go, or mobile device. The Arctis 7s charge via the included micro USB and can still be used while charging. After around 3 hours charging, the headset gave me a solid 25 hours of continual usage, with the auto off timer saving battery when needed. The SteelSeries Arctis 7s offer solid performance and great comfort, all for a fair price. The included cables and receiver are nice ease-of-life touches, and while the headset isn't particularly flashy, I think the unique design is one of the best. For the price, there are few that compete with the comfort of the Arctis 7s. The SteelSeries Arctis range is incredibly diverse, with options for everyone from the budget Arctis 1s to the feature-packed Arctis Pro Wireless. If Bluetooth and nice little extras are something you prefer, then the Arctis Pros are the way to go, but for those looking for great audio and mic performance at a pinch, then the Arctis 7s are one of the best options out there. As always, links to the product will be in the description down below for you to go and check out. If you enjoyed the video at all, we would love it if you leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload, and we'll see you in the next one.